Hey guys, this is your boy Bobby, and I'm gonna cut off the AC for a second. And I'm doing a video on the different glues there are out there because I, as a guy, sweat more than I feel females do, and I'm a little bit more active. I think I said that in another video. So I really need glues that can withstand sweat, perspiration, sweat, water, and humidity. And I have a favorite glue, Walker's Ultra Hold. It's in a glass bottle. It's silicone based. The base it's not water based. So I've been looking at other glues, and I've been trying this brand Wonder Lace, but the wording has rubbed off. It's been in the refrigerator. Keep it in the fridge. This is by Ebin, New York. Which they make good products. They have, I mean, this one has an award on for #1 in 20. It doesn't say what year, but it does say they have #1 choice award. It has to be recent because this is a new product. And this is Supreme Hold, the highest hold you can get, water resistant, sweat resistant. And I was very happy to buy it. But when I used it the first 2 times, it only held for a day. Maybe 2, like really good. And I figured maybe my technique was wrong in using it, which it was, because this is a 1-layer application. You don't have to do 2, you can if you want, but this is a 1-layer application glue. So I learned how to use it, and if you are like me and don't quite know the different uses of glue, because I put this on differently than I put on my Walker's Ultra Hold. And I'll probably put this on different than I put on Esches. So I'm gonna do a few videos of the glues, and this one is for the Ebin, New York Wonder Lace glue. I believe the name of it because the wording did rub off. So let's just get into this video, and here we go. some sunlight results. So I'm taking this off now. Please excuse my piece of shit cap. All right, so I just had that tied on, and this is in the sun. I don't care. My baby hairs are messy. I really don't. So there we have it. All right, and now I am just gonna brush it. Not a whole lot of work. It's really, you can finesse any unit, but who has time